How to fix Play Store try again problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store try again problem on Android phone. First, then open settings, and now scroll down until you find the apps, and then click apps again, and now just search for Google Play Store. Click on it, and then just click this one here, storage, and click clear cache, and now click force stop, and then just go to this one here and clean up, then just clean your phone cache, and now your problem must be fixed. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to apps and apps, Play Store, and go to storage, and here you will find clear data. Click on it and click OK, and now your problem will be fixed. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.